Hello, lovely people, and thank you for taking my course. So, what's in this course? The outcome of this course is very simple. I will open up your mindset in terms of not just in IT, but in terms of how to think of AI and how to train it well, so you can use it not just as an assistant. Think of it as now you are in version one and you want to reach to version two, but this requires coaching or leadership or sales, and in this course you will learn how to train ChatGPT to become your coach in order to become your next version. Okay, are you ready? I hope because it will really help you to open up your mindset to abundance mindset or growth mindset. So this is thing number one. Thing number two is that you will learn freedom. You will recognize your own freedom and not just the negative freedom, like freedom of any external restrictions, but proactive freedom. So proactively act and use your personal power, your personal freedom. So this is the two main concepts which you will learn in this course. But of course, how we will learn it is that I will teach you how to give prompts to ChatGPT and train ChatGPT to be your trainer or coach to become the next version of the future version of you. So, how it will work? 2 to 5 minutes videos, and below the video, you will find the prompts which I used on the video in the video. So you can copy paste it, but I highly encourage you not just to copy paste, but also process and think of it like your uh, prompts and your experience. This entire thing is for free, and the entire AI course is free. So I hope you will get the most out of it, and you will train. You will use your own prompts, and you will not just copy paste, because this is one of the things which really bothered me on YouTube, that most of the videos are just copy paste, but you don't want to copycat. You want to be the best version of you, and AI will help you, and you will train AI to help you to become the future you. Okay,